The very nice folks at Wild Badger Power sent me a 20-volt walk-behind electric battery-operated lawnmower, so let's unbox it and see what it's like. So this is the 20-volt walk-behind 16-inch lawnmower. It is battery-operated, electric, and I know in my videos I don't talk that much about lawn care usually. Our lawn is like really functional. We have a lot of kids playing on it. We live in California, so we do try to have a pretty drought tolerant lawn. And so for that reason, we have a lot of clover, a lot of different types of lawn seed in there. It does grow at kind of differing lengths. And so we're kind of excited to finally have a lawnmower to try out and see how it will work. All right, so it came packaged like this, all pretty tidy in a compact box. It's not too heavy, and it actually might be easier to take this off the table, so I can manage it. Not too heavy. All right, let's see what we have. So always very important, our manual, which I will set here. And we'll just see what we've got. Some boxes. This looks like our battery charger for the lithium battery. This is, a spare charger. So either, I'm guessing that maybe there's two batteries and that's why there's two chargers. So interesting to note, it will require two places to plug in. Let's see, this is a lot of different parts. Set all these parts over here. This looks like our handle. Oh, and the cord is in here, so we'll take this out first. There's our grass cutting bag. More boxes. Let's see what we've got in these. Oh, these are the batteries. So these obviously fit in like that. So two batteries, two battery chargers. So I should note, these have not been charged yet, but a lot of times with items like this, they come with a little bit of charge so you can try it out. So we'll see. And now here is the lawnmower itself. Okay. Some more parts set aside here. And the lawnmower itself. So let's see, I have not opened the instruction manual yet. See how straightforward it is to put it together. I see some, I'm assuming that these all fit in here. So you can adjust the height of your lawnmower. And then this is probably the on and off switch. I'm just guessing. So let's see how we put this together. All right, I'm gonna move this over here so we have a better view of me putting this together. And looks like we've got some customer support stuff here. And here is our user manual. So as you can see, yeah, we've got our bar, we've got the extra handles. So we need to all put these all together. So first things first, get to know it. Put it together. this side. Does it matter? Are they exactly the same? And then here are the pieces to put them together. We've got some washers, screws, these, which will tighten up this side, obviously. All right, so it doesn't have a step-by-step, but I think we can use logic and figure this out. So, which way? So they are different. It was pointed out to me there's an R and an L written on here. So there's an R written on here, and then you use these to determine where it fits on the side. This is the left, and you can see as well there are little hinges. I don't know if that's right, what the right term is for that, but this didn't seem right at first because it seemed awfully low, but this is the way this fits in here. So that gets a nice little fit. I'm gonna put my little washer on here. Stick this on here. Okay, so that's feeling good. Other arm. You'll see this one says right. And actually, you can kind of, there's a little arrow. So you can see where it's supposed to fit. My washer. Just the back bars. And it does seem pretty low, but don't forget this handle fits on next too. So on here, this is a little clip for the cord. So these, there's some adjustment here. And I've got this. Okay, one thing I noticed, so this is the little clip that goes on the side. So indeed, these go on the side here. I had to push, this had been pushed out of place. So that is obviously the sort of the terminal. So this one goes on this side. As I figured out, each of the metal bolts go in through the inner side of the handle facing out. It's easiest to fit them both on each side of the handle before adding the tighteners. The bolts latch through to the threads that are inside the plastic tighteners, which go on the outside of the handles. I'll skip to the one on the left side so you can see it better. The bolts thread onto the tighteners, and spinning will tighten them on. The trick is to not tighten it too much, as I found if they're too tight, they can't be closed down. I had to go back and readjust to get it closed. The final step is to add these little cable holders to fasten down the electric cable and keep it out of your way. So here it is, completely put together. By loosening these, We make it possible to store it pretty easily out of the way, and then tighten them back in when you are ready for use. This is the bag that you put your clippings in. To put that on, you simply lift this up, pops in there, super easy. This little adjuster adjusts the height of your mower. So it's pretty low to the ground right now. If I press it like this and pull it, you'll notice it gets higher. So if I want a little bit of a higher lawn, which I do, I pop it up there. And then there's a little air vent. All right, so now our next job is to put the batteries in, and I'm gonna guess that the batteries, sure enough, they live in here. So I haven't charged the batteries up. This has just been unboxed for the first time. So let's pop our batteries on and see if there's a little charge in there, if we need to charge them up. Okay, so indeed, 2 batteries. It requires 2 batteries, which is why we got the 2 chargers. And they just simply click in there pretty easily, pretty straightforward. Let's see. Okay, sure enough, there's little LED power indicators, and there is power. So our batteries came with a little bit of a charge. To remove them, you just simply press this button, pull them out, and probably a good idea to remove them when you're storing it and only have your batteries in there when you're using the mower, but they just pop in and out pretty easily. All right, will we power it up? Okay, so let's see how we get this started. Now, I wonder if there is a thing right here. It says 1, 2, 3. So push down, start, and stop. Press the button, pull it this way. There we go. Press the button, pull this, and then go. Some cool features about this lawnmower: it has a powerful brushless motor. The speed is up to 34 RPMs, which gives really good cutting, really work efficient. It comes with 40 volts of batteries, so there's 2 20-volt batteries, which should give you 30 minutes of runtime. There are 5 cutting height adjustments between 0.98 inches and 3.14 inches, which is all up to your own preference or the season or however you want your lawn to look. It folds really quickly, it can be stored really quickly, and it's really easy to maneuver. There are 8-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels, and that gives really good traction in all terrains. Plus, they say their customer service is really reliable and there is a 3-year warranty. Wild Badger Power have a lot of different lawn care tools, and their mission is to empower outdoor enthusiasts with innovative, reliable, and eco-conscious power solutions. I personally love electric tools. They're quieter, they don't smell, they don't use fossil fuels, so I love this lawnmower. So the lawn is done. There we go. Oh, all our grass cuttings, pretty good. This Wild Badger cordless electric mower also includes a bonus mulching insert, giving you the option to turn your mower into a mulching mower, cutting the grass into tiny pieces that will then be spread over your lawn to act as a natural fertilizer as they break down. This is great as not all lawnmowers have this feature, and this insert comes with the mower for free. Thanks so much for joining me as I unboxed and tried out the Wild Badger electric lawnmower. You can find this mower in many retail hardware stores, as well as Amazon.com and eBay. They also have it available on their own website, wildbadgerpower.com. And if you have any comments or questions, please feel free and pop them in the comments below. Don't forget, you can also find me on Instagram and TikTok, and of course, subscribe.